really have a genuine question for all the mass commercial filmmakers this year is that did they get together for a roundtable discussion, and the conclusion of the discussion was that we are going to have an action sequence where the actor's hands are tied behind and he's still gonna fight. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, guys. And yes, I have watched one of the festive releases of this year, which is Baby John, directed by Kalis, and it stars Varun Dhawan in the titular role. Now, despite all the discourse that is happening for this movie in the internet, I personally went in with a completely blank slate. So for me, I had nothing to compare this movie to. And honestly, I enjoyed it. If you are someone who enjoys commercial cinema to the core, this movie is definitely something that you should watch in the theaters. I think for me, the biggest pull for this film was when the first look and the teaser, the trailer had dropped. I was like, okay, I have to watch this because I want to see how they portray Varun Dhawan in this massy avatar. And I know there was also a discourse where people were thinking that, yeah, he might not be able to pull this off. But I, on the other hand, was very excited to see that, okay, I definitely want him to pull this off and I want to see how he does it. And well, I was not disappointed, to be very honest. Also, I was more confident about Varun pulling off this kind of role after watching Citadel Honey Bunny because I saw him, like how he looks doing the action sequences. So I was like, yeah, he's gonna suit the action hero role for sure. And I think as I'm recording this review right now, I could be wrong, please correct me in the comments. This movie is the biggest opening movie for Varun Dhawan till date. Like the first day opening I'm talking about. Okay, now starting with the look and feel of the film. Now I know a lot of you have told me that Kalis has assisted Atlee before and this is his first directorial venture. So you definitely will see that glimpse of the Atlee kind of movie making in this movie as well. I definitely got Jawan vibes. I'm just comparing it with like the Hindi film that Atlee made, not the Tamil films. So definitely there is a similarity in terms of pitch with Jawan, which is not to say that it's a bad thing because it definitely worked for the world building of this particular film. Now, when it comes to the plot point, and this I was mentioning in my Marco review also, which I posted recently, if you have not watched it, please do, is that this is something that you, me as an audience, as someone who have watched commercial movies regularly, we are very much aware of it. It is not something which we have not witnessed in Hindi cinema or any other commercial cinema before. So obviously next comes how you are presenting the plot to the audience and how you're presenting the narrative to the audience. Now obviously I'm not going to delve into spoilers because the movie has just released, but a couple of things which really worked for me are the father-daughter relationship. The little girl who played Varun's daughter, she was so phenomenal, she was adorable and she was just a delight to watch on screen. Then the film also tries to shed light on the women's safety aspect in India. And oh my god, okay, this is not a spoiler, but there's a scene, there's a monologue by Rajpal Yadav in this film, which is probably one of the best scenes of the film. And I was, getting a little emotional because the way Rajpal Yadav has been portrayed in this film, the way his entire character has been written, it is just so good because, he is an actor. When he got introduced into Hindi cinema, I was in school at that time and I've grown up watching his comedy roles and his comedy sequences. But I've never seen him in this aspect where he is just so badass and just giving him that massy avatar was just so phenomenal to watch. And honestly, it just made me very happy. So I really have to thank the director here for showing Rajpal Yadav like that. I hope more directors do this. And he is not just a comic relief in the film. Like, give him the meat of the role and he is going to deliver. And a couple of action set pieces are also executed well. I think my standout favorite one would be when the gundas, the villains basically, it's raining and they come to Varun Dhawan's cafe or restaurant, whatever you want to call it. And then there's a fight sequence there. I think that is the highlight fight sequence of the film. Also, I'm very happy with Varun Dhawan's performance overall because he is, well, a very capable actor in my eyes. It's just that capability doesn't come out very often because the directors are not able to extract that, or maybe, the scripts that he chooses are not the best ones. But when it comes to films like, say, October or films like Badlapur, even I liked his work in Bhediya, so even Citadel Honey Bunny. So I was very happy with what he delivered here as this action mass hero. Even Kirti Suresh and Vamika's screen presence was really good. They look amazing. But obviously the screen screen time is very limited, the focus is on Varun here. And Jackie Shroff's acting was phenomenal as well. The way he's presented as a villain is also amazing. So I think in supporting cast for me, Rajpal Yadav and Jackie Shroff, definitely the show stealers. In technical aspects, the biggest positive I would say is the editing and the pace. The movie just moves so freaking fast. It's very, very dynamic. Like, there is not a place where you feel like, oh, it's lagging. Okay, when is the next scene going to come? It's just moving. So I loved the pacing of the film. Cinematography wise also, it's not that bad. And songs wise, I think it is the title song which was a standout for me. Probably the only thing which I feel could have enhanced the viewing even more is the dubbing. There are places where you can clearly make out that the lip syncing and the dialogue is off. So I think that aspect could have been handled better in the editing part, in the post-production, which was not done, because it's very, very apparent when you watch the film. And last but not the least, I cannot close my review without saying this and mentioning this, because I think the entire world knows, and I'm not giving a spoiler, is Salman Khan's cameo. Yes, that was also one of the highlight points of the film. Now, I don't know if it is just a cameo or because see, today now we don't know if movie's second, third part, fourth part is going to come or not. So is this a hint that okay, maybe a next part, Baby John 2 is going to happen or not? We don't know. I am not speculating anything. I'm just saying that cameo was quite interesting. And as you know, Bhaijaan's swag is always a crowd puller. So yeah, that is also one of the highlight points of the film. So overall, I would say that yeah, this was an entertaining watch. This was fun to watch. I too had a good time. If you want to watch something on weekend with family, I think this is the movie to go for. And yes, let me know your thoughts in the comments, because I know the comparative analysis is inevitable. But like I said, I went in with a complete blank slate and I enjoyed it. So you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will end this video here and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.